The most excited person about the Supra would be Jorge.
That would be Jorge.
Probably the most excited I've ever seen any one person on a new car in my life.
I called him to let him know that it was here, and in disbelief because of giving him so much about this so far. And
The Supra, it will not be here until middle August.
What? Why?
Transport driver.
You
Said
serious?
they will not be until August.
Jorge is asked about it every day since they've actually introduced it.
How excited do you think Jorge is about the new Supra?
You don't even know.
He's definitely in love with it. He deserves to drive it more than anybody.
I think it's gonna make his day.
Jorge's been drooling over that thing months before it even got here.
I think he would cry because he'd be so happy, to be honest.
What if I told you that we have decided that you're going to be the first person to drive the new Supra?
I would probably hug him.
Well, that's going to be you, so I hope you're excited.
Wait, is it me?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yes. You're not kidding.
I'm not kidding.
You're sure I'm allowed, right? Anyone who is a fan of Toyota Supras or any supercar definitely needs to have one of these. It's insane. Favorite part about it, honestly, is that it resembles the Mark IV so much. It's true to its roots. They didn't go out and do something crazy. The Supra font is almost identical, which I think is pretty cool. So that would be my favorite part, the fact that it's true to its roots.